After your dentist has washed their hands, it's very important to observe what happens after that. They should be putting on a disposable mask, followed by protective eyewear, and some disposable gloves. After every patient, the gloves and the mask are disposed of. When a patient comes to my office, I have various instruments depending on the procedure I'm doing in separate packets. I will open up the packet in front of the patient to show that the instruments have been sterilized. And ask them what kind of sterilization procedures they do to protect you. This is the syringe that we give anesthetic with to various patients. This on top is called a needle capper. This protects us from poking ourselves with a needle, and in addition protects the patient as well.